we seeing in terms of, for example, people getting back into the workforce, where the jobs are, what kind of jobs they are?
Well, you know, we could have been sitting here a year ago and say there was real reason to complain about the quality of jobs being added. They were tending to be lower wage jobs, but over time, I would say over the past couple of quarters, we've seen a continued improvement in the quality of jobs being added, and it's really being extended across the breadth of the job market. So we're talking about white-collar jobs, those in the business and professional sphere. We've seen some decent improvement in construction. Retail has added some jobs, not necessarily the ones you want your college-educated child to get, but nevertheless, these are jobs that do pay people money, and they're jobs that people are seeking. On down the road, we hope that that will continue, and I think there's a key question out there about the quality of salaries that are being paid. Wage growth has been lackluster, but you know, in the beige book report that we got from the Federal Reserve this past week, we saw sporadic reports of real shortages of workers across a variety of sectors, and if the economy continues to improve as we expect it will, I think we'll see more of that, and that'll be good news for workers.
At what point does this positive momentum that we're seeing become self-reinforcing? In other words, the better jobs picture lifting the broader economy, and that in turn feeding into the job market?
Well, I don't think we're there yet, but I think you can almost see it from here if indeed things continue at the current pace. The latest consumer confidence reading left a little left to be desired, the one from the Conference Board, in the sense of the perception of the job market, which is interesting because, you know, we get all of these data points that tell us the job market continues to improve. You alluded to the weekly jobless claims numbers, but yet Americans don't always feel that way. And I think in some ways, to go back what seems like ancient history now, I think that's also some of what was evidenced at the ballot box almost a month ago now.